Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 4. In the previous video we started lesson number 8, animal reproduction. Today we will continue this lesson with part 2. So in the previous video we have studied about the term reproduction and the different processes of reproduction, and we have seen animals that lay eggs and structure of egg also we have studied in detail. In today's video we will continue this with the stages of development from an embryo to an adult form and the life cycle of a hen. Okay, so in this life cycle you can say the stages of development from an embryo to an adult. So here you can see from when the hen lays eggs, then from the eggs after the incubation period we have seen this act of some birds to keep their eggs warm by sitting on them is known as incubation. Then inside the egg the embryo goes through different stages of development and it develops into a baby bird. So from the eggs it develops into a baby bird. After some days the egg breaks and a baby bird comes out of it of this egg. So this is called hatching. The baby birds cannot fly. So parent bird take care of them until they are able to look after themselves. During this period they give the young ones food and protect them from enemies. So the baby bird slowly grows into an adult. So this life cycle of hen we have seen from hen to the egg, then from egg to again the chick, and how the chick become an adult hen. So this is the life cycle of hen. So this is the bird which lays eggs, and from the eggs the reproduction takes place and it continues. So let's see about some insects. What are about the insects? All insects lay eggs. Remember, all insects lay eggs. The young ones of most insects are very different from adults. They undergo many changes before becoming adults. This process of transformation of the young one of an insect into an adult is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means the changes, the process of transformation of the young one of an insect into an adult. This process is called metamorphosis because it goes through many changes. Insects such as butterflies and houseflies undergo complete metamorphosis. Each stage of their life cycle is different from others. Let us learn more about their life cycles. Okay, and when we are talking about the insects life cycle, the reproduction in insects, so here in the bird, in the hen, we have seen from adult hen to egg, then egg to the chick. So it was a short cycle, but when we see the life cycle of insects, it goes through many changes. That's why it is called as metamorphosis. So we will see now the life cycle of a butterfly in detail. A butterfly lays eggs on a leaf. Mostly butterflies, insects, other insects also, they lays eggs on leaves of the trees. A butterfly lays eggs on a leaf. An egg hatches into a tiny caterpillar. Egg hatches into tiny caterpillar. The caterpillar spends all its time eating. So this caterpillar actually it eats the leaf continuously. It becomes bigger and fatter. After a few days, it stops eating and finds a safe place to rest. Okay, after eating the leaf continuously, it finds the place to rest. The caterpillar now spins a protective silk casing called cocoon. After eating the leaf continuously, it needs a safe place. That's why it covers its body by a protective covering, that is silk case, and it is called cocoon around its body. This stage in a butterfly's life cycle is called pupa. When this caterpillar cover the protective layer around it, it is called pupa. Inside the cocoon, the caterpillar begins to change into a butterfly. So inside this hard shell, inside this covering, it starts changing into a butterfly. When the butterfly is ready to come out, the cocoon splits open. Means it breaks up. Slowly the butterfly crawls out, dries its wings and flies away. Thus a butterfly goes through many changes. A butterfly goes through 4 stages in its life cycle before becoming an adult. What are these 4 changes? Eggs, caterpillar, pupa, then butterfly. So this because of these many changes, the life cycle of insects, it is called, these changes are called metamorphosis. Okay, the process of transformation of the young one of an insect into an adult is called metamorphosis. Now we will see life cycle of a cockroach. Okay children, inshallah this life cycle of cockroach will see in next video. So that's it for today's video. We have discussed today the life cycle of a hen, life cycle of birds, then life cycle of insects. In that we have seen the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, in the next video we will continue this lesson with life cycle in cockroach and frog. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.